Hello everyone, this video demonstrates on AgilePoint integration with MongoDB. MongoDB is an open source document database that provides high performance, high availability and automatic scaling. It has classified as NoSQL database program. A record in a MongoDB is considered as a document which is a data structure composed of field and value pairs. MongoDB documents are similar to JSON objects. The values of fields may include other documents, arrays, or arrays of documents. We have created a small demo application in order to explain how AgilePoint is integrated with MongoDB. We have a demo process model that describes the process of leave request by an employee to his employer. So we have 4 activities, that is insert document, query document, update documents and delete documents. In order to make use of these agile paths, we need to create an MongoDB access token. So navigate to Manage Center, click on Add button under Global Access Token screen. Search for MongoDB. So you need to provide a name, description if it is necessary, host name, port, authentication. We have none, or username or password can be selected. So in order to find host name and port number, you need to browse cloud version of MongoDB and then get into security to create a new user. Since we have already created a user, we'll be making use of it, which is a demo user. So now once the user is created, navigate back to Overview tab, click on Connect. Click on Connect with MongoDB Compass. I am using Compass 1.11 or earlier. You can find the host address. Come back to Manage Center. Paste over here. And now collect the port number. Copy it and paste under port. Now provide the token name, select username, password, authentication database, so we need to select the following option as we are making use of cloud MongoDB. So test connection is successful. For our demo purpose, we have already created an MongoDB access token which will be made use of in our process model. So coming back, so we have a process in which employee submitting a leave request which will be inserted or submitted making use of insert document shape. Then this information will be retrieved in the manager approval form making use of query documents, and it would be approved or rejected based on the condition. Like if the employee is requesting for more than 5 days or something, we'll go to update document, or if it is less than 5 days, we would approve it and then delete that particular requested form. So now let us see the configuration of each activity. First, insert documents. So you need to select an access token which is of MongoDB type and database under that connection and collection name. So here, in order to map your request, you have two options, that is get request JSON from this variable and map request JSON to process schema. So when you select get request JSON from this variable, you can drag and drop any of the form field. So we have put MongoDB input data. So let us now see what map request JSON to process schema does. You have to give a JSON body. So I'll copy the sample JSON body and paste over here. So now come to map to schema, and you can map any of the field to employee name, age, location. So come back. For demo purpose, we are making use of get request JSON from this variable. So I'll use this. So click on finish configuration. Next, coming to query documents. You will have to select the access token, database and collection, and you will have to provide a filter condition based on what filter you have to segregate the data. So you have to edit and add expression like ID equal to some form fields, or you can provide direct data as well. So add group, or if you want to delete that expression, you can delete it. So we have added two expression in order to filter our data. So response can be mapped in two ways, that is save response to this variable and map response to process schema. So in map response to process schema, I'll be mapping employee name leave from date days of leave to the process fields employee name date request days for leave. So come back. If save response to this variable is chosen, then you can drag and drop any of the process variables or form variables. Update document helps you in updating the record. It also accepts access tokens, database and collection name. So update data, you can add which field can be updated with the condition. So delete document helps you in deleting a record. So it accepts access token, database name and collection, and a where condition which specifies the particular document or record has to be deleted. So let me save and check in this process model and initiate it to see the working. So let me initiate the process. So my date of request would be from 14th of August to 2 days after that. So I would submit the form. Let me refresh the process viewer. We can see that the insert document is completed. In order to view the data inserted, you need to install MongoDB client in your desktop. That is this. So on refresh, we can see that our record has been inserted. In the next form, query document helps you in retrieving all the details provided by the employee. So test employee date request days for leave is retrieved making use of query document. Now the manager approval. he can approve for the request or reject or modify leave approval. Once he approves, the process gets completed and goes to the delete document. So I'll select approve and put some comments. So submit. So you can see that the manager approve form is completed and it has gone to the delete documents. So coming back to the MongoDB client, on refresh we can see that the record has been deleted. Now let us see how update document works with the same steps. So now I'll select 16th of August for 10 days. So I'll submit it. So insert document is completed and query document is completed. So I'm opening the manager approval form. The second record is retrieved. Now I'll modify leave approval so that we can give or demonstrate update document. So I don't want to give 10 days of leave to the employee, so I would select 5 days and submit it. So coming back to manage and on refresh, so this was older version, and on update we can see that the days of leave is 5 days. And now if we see over here, delete document is completed, so it will be deleted from the client MongoDB. So this is how AgilePoint is integrated with MongoDB. Thank you.